You see, it was never about your skills, talent, and all. It was always about your eating habits, right? Eating habits, sleeping habits, right? So, what am I talking about? Like, what is this video about? Like, it's 2 a.m. To give you some context, and I'm unable to sleep because something is bothering me for a while now. It's because of many things. For starters, I'm going through a stiff back or bit long these days. So has never happened. It actually made me question a lot of things about me. Uh, so what am I doing? Like, what's the point of all this? And like sort of purposelessness and all. So here I am. I think. I mean, in this chaos that ensues in our life, we seem to forget. Like we are supposed to live this life, right? And instead of living the life, we sort of start taking it for granted. And taking it granted, it means I don't know. Maybe the thing I'm trying to say here is like the point of recording this is I have this realization that at least me, I don't take care of my health as much as I should be doing, or maybe as much as I was doing voluntarily when I was younger, maybe in my school days, because I guess my parents were taking care of that. But now, since I have become independent, and the advantage that you get of this independence is you eat whatever you like, you sleep at what time you want. And this is where the root cause of all problems start, right? Eating, right? So you don't give yourself, you can say, like just having 5 coffees a day doesn't cut it, right? That's not gonna work. And I mean, it has a toll, right? It takes toll on your body, your muscles. I mean, hair, I guess. Because I have a lot of white hairs. But yeah, that's not the point. So I'm not conscious about that part. But what I'm saying is, overall, as a whole, as a person, you feel lazy, you feel tired. And why? And the answer is pretty simple, right? You don't eat well, you don't get enough protein, you don't have enough like we as a developers or software engineers, data scientists, whatever you call it, we live a very sedimentary lifestyle. And At least for me, so this video is about me, and maybe if you can relate it, don't actually take care of our health that much, right? So of course I used to go gym, but for past couple of months, that's also down, and it clearly shows. My energy levels are down. I don't feel so good. My curiosity has went down a bit, although I able to still show up because it's just somewhere in me that to show up, but I can clearly see I'm not at my 100%. I would like that to change. So I don't like to usually post such videos, but I think it's necessary that s- if you are stuck like me in this loop, maybe I'm just speaking it out naturally. Please take care of your health, okay? Like please, you can say, dedicate as much time. Like if you care enough about that CP problem or DSA problem to think for, you can say, hours, I think you should spend some time, you can say, planning out your diet, planning out what are you gonna eat, because you are actually not what you eat. You are actually what you like, what gets absorbed, right? So if you eat junk and all the junk, and okay, let's not go to the medical aspect of it, but physically you need to eat well, you need to sleep well, and yeah, fine. I'm all in for grinds. I'm all in for all nighters and all, but you still need to eat well. You need to take care of your like metabolism, right? And I wish to do that. So I mean, I just had this sort of epiphany or whatever you want to call it, but I am gonna make deliberate efforts to do that. And yeah, I don't know when I'll upload this video. Uh, uh, Maybe I will upload this video. So today is, I guess, Today is what, 21st Jan, right? Cool. Yeah, peace.